Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you this very powerful healing drink that will detox, cleanse, flush out toxins from your system, heal your system, form a disease fighting barrier in your system, and you always stay healthy and looking good with beautiful skin as well. So in order to come up with this recipe of today, I need a very powerful green leafy vegetable which is good at detoxing, healing your system, nourishing your system with nutrients, and that is spinach. So you can use spinach, you can use kale, you can use any other green leafy vegetable of your choice, but I love spinach because it contains a little bit of so many vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, all those nourishing nutrients, plus it is a very powerful natural detoxifier. It contains a lot of good chlorophyll your system needs to cleanse and heal your system, most especially your liver, your organs, so they can function properly for you to always stay healthy and cleanse from the inside, form a disease fighting barrier in your system against diseases. So you always want to wash your ingredients with water and vinegar, as I just did, and that is a handful of spinach. The second ingredient I'll be using will be cucumber. So I'll be using one cucumber. This is English cucumber. You can use the regular cucumber. They are all cucumbers. Cucumbers are alkalizing to to form a disease fighting barrier in your system, cleanse your organs, nourish your system, hydrate your system so it can have enough energy to flush out all the waste, toxins, most especially your liver. Research has proven that cucumbers equally help to fight certain kinds of cancer and diseases from the system. So consuming it, since it is alkalizing, is like forming a disease fighting barrier in your system to always stay healthy. Yeah. So you want to get one cucumber, wash thoroughly, and slice into some good sizes that you can easily come up with the smoothie. So this is it. Clean with vinegar and water. I cleaned already. I didn't want to take a lot of your time, and voila, this is the second ingredient. I'll be adding in apple. One apple in here, as all doctors always say that an apple a day will take you away from them. It is alkalizing as well to fight diseases in your system, nourish your system with a lot of nutrients, vitamin C, prevent oxidative stress which causes cancer, protect your skin cells from damaging. Like, it has a lot of health and medicinal benefits eating an apple a day. So you want to get your apple just like the other ingredients. You wash thoroughly and slice into some good sizes that you can easily blend up your ingredients. So you want to slice, and voila, this is my one apple. You just put it in your bowl and set it aside. All these nutrients put together will nourish your system and make sure you are always healthy, because your organs depend on these nutrients to stay healthy. So since this is a detoxifier, I'll be adding in one lemon in here to facilitate your metabolism, like to help you easily break down all the accumulated waste, toxins. Like, this is to detox you, cleanse you. Lemons will facilitate the detox process. You can substitute with ginger, but today I'll be using lemon. So what you want to do is just to peel the lemon, and we'll be using the whole fruit. You don't want to, we are not using the peel for today, just the fruit plus the seeds, everything, because they all contain natural medicinal benefits. This helps to clear off bad cholesterol in your system, lower your blood pressure, cleanse excess bad fats from your system. Like, lemons are very good if you're looking to flush out waste and fats from your system, cleanse your system. Just add in lemon. So yeah, this is it. And I'll be adding one banana. That is banana. If you notice all those ingredients, we want to bring in some flavor in this detox smoothie. You don't want to consume this and be like, oh, it doesn't taste good in the mouth. Bananas come in with that flavor, bringing ingredients together. Trust me, you don't want to get spinach and start eating, and banana is to bring the spinach, cucumber, bring the lemon together and give it that beautiful taste and flavor. Plus, bananas are equally nutrient dense. They contain a lot of good potassium to nourish and fuel your system with energy, to be able to break down everything, cleanse your system, and fight diseases as well. So I'll be adding one banana in here. You want to peel and slice up into some good sizes, and trust me, banana gives that ice creamy or yogurt kind of feel to your smoothie. So if you're that person who doesn't like consuming vegetables, you want to consider always adding bananas in your smoothies, and trust me, you will love consuming your green smoothies. So this is one banana, that is my lemon, spinach. So in here is spinach, one handful of spinach, one lemon, one banana, one apple. So as easy as that. You just want to add in maybe ice block to allow to have give you that chilling, like that beautiful taste, that not too flat kind of smoothie, because when it's kind of a little bit chilled, it tastes so good in the mouth. You want to add in some ice blocks. That is if you have a refrigerator, but that is so fine. If you don't have a refrigerator, you can just go ahead and blend, and you will still enjoy your smoothie. I just like stuffs a little bit chilled. So you want to blend, 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 blend till you get that very smooth consistency. Yeah. So you blend, blend. You don't want to have fruit particles in your mouth. So you this is when you really take your time to blend. This is a combination of vitamins and minerals, detoxing ingredients, like all cleansing and healing ingredients put together to cleanse, nourish, heal your system, form a disease fighting barrier in your system against diseases, because this is kind of an alkaline smoothie I just made today. This is very alkalizing to fight diseases and leave your system so healthy, for you to live a healthy life free of sicknesses, diseases, not spending a lot of time and money with doctors. Whereas if you are proactive and you always consume alkaline juices or smoothies like this, you will always be fine, as these natural greens, they detox waste toxins out of your system, form disease fighting barrier, so you can always stay healthy and looking good as well. So this is very good if you're uh, have high blood pressure, all those health complications. These are the kinds of smoothies you want to go for, to help fight diseases for you, help nourish and treat your organs so you can fight and combat those diseases and stay healthy. Yeah, so consider sharing this video with your family and friends. This is something we want to fall in love with. You can have it as breakfast. You can have it last thing at bedtime. It will cleanse you, detox you, flush out waste, toxins, heal your system for you to always stay healthy and looking good. So this is the tip I have for you today. This is what I wanted to share with you today. I know for sure someone out there will find this helpful, and I hope you try and come back and tell me how you feel about the smoothie. It actually tastes so good. And be ready to be at your home so you can go to the restroom and poop out all the waste, toxins out of your system and feel relieved and healthy again. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video, so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.